Lesson: Overview of Fair Information Practice Principles. Fair information practice principles serve as the bedrock for privacy laws and frameworks globally, including those foundational to U.S. privacy law. These principles emerged as a response to concerns about privacy and data protection, offering a framework through which organizations can ensure they handle personal data responsibly. Understanding and implementing these principles is crucial for privacy professionals, particularly for those seeking certification as a certified information privacy professional. FIPs are rooted in the recognition of privacy as a fundamental human right and propose guidelines to ensure that personal information is used ethically and transparently. These principles have evolved to address the complexities of data-driven environments and are crucial for compliance with privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation and the U.S. Federal Trade Commission Privacy Framework. The principles typically include notice, awareness, choice consent, access participation, integrity security, and enforcement redress. Notice awareness is the cornerstone of FIPs, emphasizing the duty of organizations to inform individuals about their data practices. This involves clearly communicating what data is collected, the purpose of collection, who it will be shared with, and how individuals can contact the organization with inquiries or complaints. A practical tool for implementing this principle is the development of a comprehensive privacy notice or policy. This document should be accessible, written in plain language, and updated regularly to reflect any changes in data practices. For example, the privacy policy of a healthcare provider should explicitly detail how patients' health information is protected under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Studies have shown that transparency in data collection practices can significantly increase consumer trust, which can be a competitive advantage in the increasingly privacy-conscious marketplace. Choice consent involves providing individuals with options regarding how their data is collected and used. This principle is about empowering users to make informed decisions about their personal information. For instance, organizations can implement opt-in or opt-out mechanisms for data collection or sharing practices. A practical framework to apply this principle is the privacy by design approach, which advocates integrating privacy into the design and operation of systems and business practices. An effective application of this is seen in the financial sector, where banks offer customers the choice to opt in for data sharing with third-party services, thus adhering to consent requirements under regulations like the GDPR. Access participation ensures that individuals have the right to access their personal data and request corrections if inaccuracies are found. This principle supports transparency and accountability, allowing individuals to understand the data an organization holds about them. Implementing this principle can be challenging, but is facilitated by tools such as data management systems that allow user-friendly access to personal information. For example, social media platforms like Facebook provide users with downloadable data files that contain the information the platform has collected, illustrating an effective application of access principles. Integrity security addresses the need to protect personal data from unauthorized access, alteration, or destruction. This principle underscores the importance of implementing robust security measures to safeguard personal data. Practical tools for enforcing this principle include encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Organizations can adopt frameworks such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework to enhance their data protection strategies. For instance, a retail company implementing advanced encryption techniques to protect customer credit card information demonstrates adherence to data integrity and security standards. Enforcement redress is about ensuring compliance with privacy policies and providing mechanisms for individuals to seek redress if their data is mishandled. This principle can be operationalized through internal audits, compliance checks, and the establishment of clear procedures for handling privacy complaints. The development of a robust incident response plan is a practical tool that organizations can use to address data breaches effectively. The FTC's enforcement actions against companies failing to protect consumer data highlight the importance of having a redress mechanism in place, which can include financial compensation or corrective actions. In practice, the application of FIPs can be seen in various real-world scenarios. For example, in the healthcare industry, the implementation of FIPs is critical due to the sensitive nature of health information. The HIPAA privacy rule incorporates FIPs by requiring covered entities to provide a notice of privacy practices, obtain patient consent for certain uses of their health information, and ensure the security of electronic health records. This comprehensive approach helps protect patient privacy while facilitating the flow of information necessary for high-quality healthcare. Furthermore, the rise of digital technologies and big data presents new challenges and opportunities for implementing FIPs effectively. Organizations are increasingly using data analytics to drive business decisions, making it essential to balance innovation with privacy considerations. For instance, companies using artificial intelligence must ensure that their data processing practices comply with FIPs by providing transparency, obtaining consent, and securing data against breaches. The use of AI in hiring processes, for example, requires organizations to be transparent about the data used in algorithms and to ensure that decisions do not result in discriminatory outcomes. The relevance of FIPs extends beyond compliance, as they are integral to building trust with consumers and stakeholders. A 2020 survey by the International Association of Privacy Professionals found that organizations that prioritize privacy and data protection as part of their culture are more likely to gain consumer trust and achieve business success. This underscores the importance of integrating FIPs into organizational practices, not just as a legal requirement, but as a strategic advantage in the digital economy. In conclusion, fair information practice principles provide a comprehensive framework for addressing privacy and data protection challenges. By implementing these principles, organizations can ensure that they handle personal data responsibly and transparently, thus building trust with consumers and stakeholders. The practical tools and frameworks discussed, such as privacy notices, consent mechanisms, and data security measures, offer actionable insights for privacy professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency in this area. As privacy laws and technologies continue to evolve, the principles of FIPs remain a fundamental guide for navigating the complexities of data privacy in the modern world.